Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to set up WordPress on your desktop or your laptop. For this, you might not be needing any domain or hosting. It's easier for you to start up your development on your PC without having to purchase a domain or hosting service. So let's get straight into it. For you to actually achieve this thing, you need two things. You need server, and you also need a browser like the one I have open right here. And you would be needing the WordPress core file, which you can get WordPress in subsequent tutorials. I'll talk about the difference between WordPress installed and WordPress installed. Now we can click get WordPress, and this is the lesson version, so we're going to make do. Now I already have this server on my laptop. It's called XAMPP. So if you want to download that, I will also add the link in the description. You can also type on Google search for XAMPP download. You're able to see the link to download the download page. So it's quite easier for you to just choose PHP version you want to download and just start. So I already have this on my laptop, so I will be downloading it again. Now we have all this setup. What we're going to do to start is turn on. We need two services on here, Apache and MySQL. So let's turn this on, and yeah. So once it's in the green, you know that it's running. Press down here. Alright, so now we've done that. Close it. Now we've done that, we're going to extract what we have on here, right? So we can go to our download folder. As you can see, the file I have right here, and we can say extract all. Who do I want to extract? Alright, so extract all here. Extract. Now, once it's complete, it's going to show me the actual files, and we can get download. In the meantime, we need to set up MySQL database. So the way you do that, you go to localhost. You go to localhost, enter. Oh my God, localhost. Sorry. Localhost. So we now have this open here, and you have various options. It shows you welcome to XAMPP and all that, but that's not why we're here. We go straight to PHP MyAdmin. Already I have several databases hosted on my laptop right here. So to add a new database to this, all you're going to do is to click on new. Now you add your database name. So for the sake of this, we're going to call this tutorial. We're going to call this database tutorial. So spelling. Alright, so we have tutorial database. Let's see, notables found empty. We can assign privileges to this. Privileges in the sense that you're adding a username, or you're adding a username that will be used to access the database. And this username and password is important if you're going to use it subsequently in setting up your WordPress environment. So here I'm going to say admin user account. Yeah, I'm going to call this tutorial, for the sake of what we're doing, we're going to call this tutorial, and then enables we need that have is. We just generate, we just want the laptop to generate. So what I'm going to do, I don't want to forget this password, so I'm going to say sticky notes rather. right? It's prompting me to sign in. I don't know why. I don't want to sign by organization. I don't want to sign in. I don't think that's what I want to do right now. So, okay, let's go with notes. Let's go with notes. I think it's simple right now. Yeah. So we can paste the password and we can say, oh, the title for this tutorial. So we want to forget that tutorial and we're going to use this. We already have this all level privileges and we're going to say go and that sets up for us. I don't need to save it. So now we can go down to our downloads folder. It's done extracting. As you can see, these are the contents of the core WordPress folder for what we'll be working with, and we need to install this. So in order to install this, you need to go to the section of your local disk. I'm going to use the Windows size and do this. Okay, so let's reduce all this. Right, I open a second window which I'm going to use. Display this side by side. And so what you're going to do is to go straight to your PC and click on this arrow for drop down and go to your local disk. And under your local disk, you're going to have this XAMPP folder. It's usually installed here. I don't know if you have yours installed somewhere else, but you have to locate your XAMPP folder. And once I click open, well, I'm just going to go straight to htdocs. Yeah, so this is where I want to install my WordPress folder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this. Now copy this WordPress folder here. Anyway, I'm moving it though, so moving is a lot far for me. Now I'm going to name this. Okay, we already have one tutorials. What do I do? Do I just do this tutorial? Uh, let's have let's call it tutorial singular and okay, so we have it right here. Now to install your WordPress environment, you're going to call the folder that you just installed, so which is WordPress tutorial singular. You're going to call it and then it's going to open. You don't even need your internet for this process right here. You're just going to click here, let's go. The other technical means to do this, but I mean the locker. Yeah, so we have our database. Remember your database singular tutorial. You remember the password, so we already have saved here, so, which is what we're going to use right now. And setting this up, so database name, username, and disclaimer. Sorry, not disclaimer, but note. Something you should note is that when creating your database, please use something different. Use a name different from what you're doing, and also use strong passwords, probably 16 character passwords, 20 character passwords. It helps with security of your website. You don't want anyone to just uh, crack the password or code to your website. So all you need to do is to use strong passwords. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to be using it. Right? Don't use something people can be able to do. So now we have all that filled in. We're just going to click on submit. Right? Now we submitted. We can now run installation. You can now call this tutorial. Anyway, you can name your site anything you want to name it. Probably it's blog. You want to name it. You want to name it Bella Niger. Already Bella Niger is this, but you get the point. You get the point. So I'm just going to use my name for the username. I'm going to save this. So I'm just going to save this here. So we have, ooh, all right. So we have here, and take this password, right? So email, you can use anything I want to use, particularly the email that's active. So this is what I'm using, and this we don't really need to do anything here. We can now install WordPress. So I'm going to turn off my internet right now, so you can see that without your internet you can be able to have this. As you can see, my internet is turned off and not connected. Not connected. So remember me logging. Right. So that's a simple way of installing WordPress environment on your laptop using XAMPP. So this is what we have. This is a basic template for. Alright, so see you in the next tutorial.